You'll never look at a bar of soap the same way again after this. I stumbled upon this trick by accident, and it completely transformed how my bathroom smells. Naturally, effortlessly, and without spending a dime on store-bought deodorizers. Let's start by selecting one bar of soap. Any brand, any scent. It's all up to you. Now grab a grater and begin shredding the soap using the larger holes. You want soft, fluffy flakes like you see here. This texture is essential to help the other ingredients blend properly. Once you've grated the whole bar, transfer all the soap flakes into a mixing bowl. Now add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Yes, baking soda. It's well known for neutralizing unpleasant odors and will amplify the freshness of your favorite soap. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Next, add 1 tablespoon of salt. You can use fine or coarse salt, but I recommend coarse. This dry base is powerful on its own, but we're about to take it one step further. Now we need to bring the mixture together. Slowly add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water, just enough to form a soft, flexible dough. Mix thoroughly until you reach a consistency that holds its shape but doesn't crumble. It should feel soft, slightly moist, and easy to mold. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. Using your hands, shape the mixture into 2 small, compact balls. You only need 2 for now, but I always recommend making extra. Trust me, you'll want more once you see how effective this is. Set the balls aside for now and grab a standard face mask, the kind with 2 fabric layers and elastic bands. This will act as the perfect holder for our homemade solution. Take a pair of scissors and cut off the very tip of the mask. Make sure to save the elastic bands. We'll reuse them in a second. Now gently separate the 2 fabric layers to create a small pocket. This is where you'll insert the soap balls. If your mask has 2 distinct layers, place 1 ball in each side. If it's a single layer mask, simply place 1 ball in the center. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. Once your soap balls are in place, fold the mask carefully to enclose them fully. Now take the elastic bands and tie each end securely. Now, here comes the twist. Take this prepared pouch and place it directly into the tank of your toilet. Yes, the tank. Every time you flush, the water activates the mixture, releasing a burst of freshness into the air. Not only does it smell absolutely amazing, but it even helps maintain a cleaner bowl between scrubs. Do you have a similar hack at home? Share it in the comments. Like this video, share it with someone who needs a smarter solution, and follow for more clever tips that save time, money, and effort. Thanks for being here. See you in the next video.